Napoleon Bonaparte is considered as a brilliant statesman and one of the greatest military masterminds. He was the epitome of liberty, equality, fraternity. He made the French army as one of the finest military machines in Europe. According to his enemies, he fights like lightning and strikes like a thunderbolt. He was born on 15 August 1769 in the city of Ajaccio on the island of Corsica. His father was an attorney named Carlo Bonaparte who represented Corsica at the court of the French king. As a child of a fairly wealthy family, Napoleon got a good education. He was trained to become an army officer in a military academy of France. Initially, he fought against the French occupation of Corsica. Later, he changed sides and returned to France. During the French Revolution, Napoleon allied himself with the radical group of revolutionaries known as Jacobins. He received a position as the artillery commander at the siege of Toulon in 1793, where he devised a strategy to force the British out of the port. His military brilliance was recognized by the French leaders and he was promoted to the position of brigadier general. In 1796, Napoleon was given command of the French army in Italy and found it to be poorly organized. He used to move his troops rapidly around the battlefield so they would always outnumber the enemy. He soon drove the Austrians out of Italy and won the title of national hero for himself. In 1799, Napoleon returned to Paris after leading the military expedition in Egypt. At the time, the government known as Directory was losing power. Napoleon with his allies seized power and formed a new government called Consulate that consisted of 3 councils. He declared himself the first council, or in other words, a dictator, as most of the power vested in him. In his reign, Napoleon brought about many governmental reforms. One of the famous reforms is Napoleonic Code, according to which governmental positions would be given on the basis of qualification and abilities rather than on the basis of race, religion, and social status. He boosted economy by building roads and encouraging businesses. He encouraged religious tolerance. He also set up non-religious schools that promoted education for all factions. In 1804, he declared himself as the first emperor of France. Moreover, at the coronation, he placed crown on his head by himself rather than letting Pope to crown him the old-fashioned way. Initially, Napoleon maintained peace in Europe. However, soon France was at war with Britain, Austria, and Russia. Napoleon turned towards Austria after the defeat in the Battle of Trafalgar by Britain. In 1805, he decimated Austrian and Russian armies at the Battle of Austerlitz. The French Empire expanded from Spain to the borders of Russia over the next several years. In 1812, Napoleon decided to invade Russia. It was his first wrong move. He marched with a huge army to Russia. Many of them starved to death as Russians followed the strategy of retreat while burning all the crops and supplies in their way. Napoleon entered Moscow after a fierce fight but found the city deserted. Later on, his army encountered the onset of Russian winter. Eventually, their supplies ran out. He had to retreat, but by the time he reached France, out of 600,000 troops, only an estimated 100,000 made it to Russia. After this disastrous retreat, where much of Napoleon's army was decimated, Europe turned on France. His army was too small to face such an opposition. In 1814, he was forced into exile on the island of Elba. In 1815, Napoleon managed an escape from Elba and with the support of the army took control of France for a period known as the 100 Days. The rest of Europe could not support Napoleon on the throne, so they gathered their armies and met him at Waterloo. On 18th of June 1815, Napoleon was defeated at the Battle of Waterloo and once again forced him into exile on the island of St. Helena. After 6 years of exile on St. Helena, Napoleon died on 5th May 1821. His remains were moved to France in 1840 to Les Invalides in Paris. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button for more informative videos.